Patna, Bihar-based Bhumihar families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Bhumihar marriage bureau cum Bhumihar wedding planners in Patna, Bihar. A wedding planner for Bhumihar elite and middle class families in Patna. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Bhumihar bride-groom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Patna, Bihar. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. The city of Patna is rich with culture and has a history dating back to 3000 years. It is the capital city and largest city of the state of Bihar, formerly known as Patliputra. It served as the capital of the Magad kingdom. Patna offers numerous sightseeing places like Golghar, built by Captain John Garstin in 1786, is located to the west of the Gandhi Maidan. An important tourist site, it has a large stupa-style granary of 125 meters thick and thickness of 3.6 meters. Sanjay Gandhi Jaivik Udyan is a 153-acre zoo with over 110 species of wild animals and over 300 species of plants. Museums such as the Bat Museum, Snake Museum and Fish Museum are also present in its premises. Nalanda University, depicting the ancient knowledge system, brings in tourists from all over the world. Buddha Smriti Park is a large urban park. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Patna, Bihar, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Patna, Bihar. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Bhumihar life partner in Patna has been taken up by Bhumihar marriage bureaus or Bhumihar marriage consultancy in Patna, Bihar. Today I will introduce you a Bhumihar matrimonial service provider in Patna, Bihar, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Bhumihar families in Patna, Bihar for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Patna, Bihar, but the marriage bureau in Patna who have changed the concept of Bhumihar partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Patna, Bihar. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Bhumihar family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Patna, Bihar. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Bhumihar matchmaking services in Patna, Bihar, Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Patna, Bihar to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and great families in Patna, Bihar. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Patna, Bihar. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Patna, Bihar. And Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1, we do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Bhumihar database of profiles in Patna, Bihar, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Patna, Bihar. Number 3, our Bhumihar matchmaking service in Patna, Bihar fee ranges from 65,000 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Patna, Bihar. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Bihar matchmaking process in Patna, Bihar. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.